Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust screen timeout on Windows 10 so you can manage when your screen turns off automatically. Step 1. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and then click on Settings. This is important because the Settings app is where you can manage all your system preferences. Step 2. Once you're in Settings, go to System and then select Power and Sleep from the left-hand menu. This section allows you to control how your computer uses power and when it puts the screen to sleep. Step 3. Under the Screen section, you will see drop-down menus labeled On Battery Power, Turn Off After, and When Plugged In, Turn Off After. These settings determine how long your screen stays active before turning off in different power situations. Step 4. Click each drop-down menu and choose the timeout duration that works best for you. Adjusting these settings can help save battery life and prevent unnecessary screen usage. Step 5. After selecting your preferred times, simply close the settings window to save your changes. Your screen timeout is now adjusted according to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.